Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you step by step how to work with the TradersWay Broker Dashboard. When we enter the trading cabin in the TradersWay Broker, you will see the username at the top of the page. The name you entered during registration, the registration email, and the status of your account, which is verified, meaning the documents you provided have been approved by the broker, allowing you to withdraw funds and fully use the services. We explain this in detail in the verification video. In this section, we have an important message from the broker stating that to start trading, you need to install the MetaTrader 4 software, or MetaTrader 4 for mobile, a direct link for the desktop, and mobile versions is provided here for you. This software is used for executing trades, viewing charts, and using expert advisors and indicators. In the trading desk section, you can view real accounts and demo accounts. In this section, the details of your active real account are displayed to you. In this part, you can see the account number. In this part, the type of account, which is based on the MetaTrader 4 platform and variable spread, is shown. The next section pertains to leverage. This means you are able to trade in the market with 100 times your actual balance. At the bottom, your current account balance is displayed in dollars. And in this section, there are buttons for quick actions, including deposit, account funding, and withdrawal, which is withdrawing funds from your account. In the View All section, if you have multiple active accounts, with this option, you can view all the accounts. In this way, all your live accounts are displayed to you, and by selecting them, you can proceed with deposits, withdrawals, or internal transfers. By clicking on the Show Archive Accounts option, your archived trading accounts are displayed, and in the payment history section, you can view your transaction history. Let's return to the trading dashboard. In this section, you will see an option called Open Live Account, which allows you to open a new trading account, such as Naeem Easton accounts in MetaTrader 4 or 5. Select the desired currency and leverage, and by clicking on the Open Account option, you create your new account. The Change Password option is for changing your trading account password specifically for logging into the MetaTrader 4 software. By clicking on the Change Password option, an email will be sent to you for changing your trading account password. And by clicking on that link, you will be able to perform the password change procedures. We return to the trading cabinet. In the Demo Account section, as you can see, we have not opened a demo account yet. To create a new demo account, click on the Open Demo Account option. This account is very suitable for risk-free practice and will create a new account for you. In this section, enter your desired information, and by clicking on the Open Account option, your account will be created. At the bottom of the page, you can see the Partner's Office. The TradersWay Broker has also provided the opportunity to collaborate as an IB. The Promotion Materials link directs you to advertising tools such as banners, referral links, and promotional content. In this section, a green message is also displayed to you, indicating that by introducing new traders to this broker, you can receive a commission from the broker. To collaborate with TradersWay, click on this option, and the related items will open for you. At the bottom of the page, you can see the broker's news, which usually displays the broker's latest news, changes in trading conditions, or promotions in this section. At the top of the page, there is an option titled History. By clicking on this option, you can view the history of your transaction, which includes the transaction history related to deposits, withdrawals, and internal transfers between your accounts. By clicking the cross option, we close this page. In this section, you will see the Edit Profile option, which pertains to the settings of your user profile in the TradersWay Broker Dashboard. The first section, Personal Information, contains personal details related to the user's identity, such as date of birth, address, and phone number, and it displays the status of your account. The next section is related to Change Private Office Password. To change the password for logging into the main dashboard, if you wish to change the password, you can proceed from this section. Enter the password and input the new password in this section, re-enter it, and after selecting the Change option, your login password for the main dashboard will be changed. The next section is related to My Documents, where you can upload or view identity documents that you have sent to the broker, such as a national ID card, passport, utility bill, etc. You can review them in this section or upload your documents from here to complete the identity verification process. The next section is related to resetting the PIN code, which can be used to reset the PIN required for certain sensitive operations, such as withdrawing funds. By pressing the Reset PIN code button, this action will be performed for you. The next option is related to security settings, where we have security configurations such as enabling two-factor authentication or changing security questions. By enabling two-factor authentication and pressing the Confirm option, this feature will be activated for you. The next section is related to notifications. In this section, you can manage the alerts and notifications you receive from the broker, such as emails, in case of deposits or withdrawals. And by selecting this option, notifications from the broker will be activated and sent to you. The next option is language, which pertains to changing the dashboard language to other languages. In this section, you select the desired language and configure it by pressing the Save option. The next option is Delete User Account, which is for completely removing the account from the system. Please note that this action is irreversible, and by selecting this option, your account will be entirely removed from the TradersWay broker. We close this by clicking the cross option. In the top bar of the page, on the left side, you can see the official logo of the TradersWay broker. And by clicking on it, you will be directed to the main dashboard page. On the right side of the page, there is a contact option that displays the support contact link and the general contact information of the company. In this section, you can contact the TradersWay broker support. And there is an option called Live Chat here. By clicking on it and entering your information, you can send a message to the live support team of TradersWay and establish communication. We close the silver and return to the trading dashboard. The next section is the menu, which is a drop-down menu consisting of 3 sections. The first is MetaTrader 4, which pertains to the MetaTrader 4 platform. From this section, you can download different versions of this software for Windows, Mac, or mobile. The next section is related to cTrader, which is considered a more advanced platform with a more modern appearance compared to MetaTrader 4. It is especially suitable for professional traders who are looking for a more precise trading experience. The advantage of cTrader is the execution of STP and ECN, a stronger user interface, viewing market depth, and it is suitable for scalping and algorithmic trading. By clicking the Download cTrader option, you can download this item. The next section is Adder. In this section, you can download all platforms, including MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader 4 different operating systems. We return to the trading dashboard. In this section, you can see the options for deposit, withdrawal, and internal transfer. By clicking the deposit option, the page related to depositing funds will open for you. You will see various payment methods for funding your trading account. Options such as cryptocurrencies, credit cards, Neteller, or bank transfer are provided in this section, and by clicking on each option, the related deposit details will open for you. The next section is related to withdrawing from the account. To transfer funds from your trading account to a bank account or digital wallet, you can perform the withdrawal by selecting the withdrawal method. The next section is the transfer between accounts. If you have multiple trading accounts, such as an MT4 account and an ECN account, you can transfer money between your accounts without the need for separate withdrawals and deposits. We have explained the details related to deposits and withdrawals in the video about deposits and withdrawals using different methods. In the webinars section, you are referred to webinars and educational videos on YouTube where you can increase your knowledge by watching them. You return to the trading dashboard. These were the explanations regarding the TradersWay Broker Dashboard. If any part needs further explanation or if you have any questions, feel free to contact us in the comments. Wishing you success and profitability.